Ooh, I am so excited to open these. I just wanted to show you how they arrive. This is the 50 pack of enamel pins that I just got, and I'm super excited. I just made sure that there are 50 and there's no repetition. They're all very, very cute. Here's the thing. You might be asking yourself, what do you need with 50 random pins? But I've always thought they were super cool, and I like to give them away as little gifts. Way to say that, like, I love you, appreciate you. I think it's just a nice thing to do. A little carrot, a pretty sunflower. Oh, and a little dinosaur. Oh, this cool Monstera leaf. I like this one too. It says, life's a trip. Which one's like calling out to me? Most of them have this type of backing, but then some of them have this type of backing. I don't really care either way. I did see on some of the reviews that people were talking about like the backings falling off easily. They feel really tight to me, not any different than any other pin I've ever gotten in my life. But if you're having trouble with them, you can get a bulk pack of backings if you want. They actually come with 4 extra backings. That's kind of cool. Ooh, just in case you lose one. Cute.